whack, patty whack, give a dog a whole sack. Right here, how you guys doing? So Suburban Delinquent met up with a couple nice motovloggers by the name of Scottandkerryann and I believe a girl on a bike. I couldn't hear them too well over the phone, but they went out to Cabazon, which is going through my area to get to, and they wanted to meet up at the hillTIP, and I was like, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill 2 bird dickheads with 1 stone and go ahead and check the mail. That way if any of you guys sent anything cool, you can see on video that I fucking got your package. Sounds pretty homosexual saying it like that. I got your little package, little cock boy. I'm gonna act like I'm all cool and just park right here and be like, bitch, it's a parking spot. Oh yeah, it smells like dozens of packages of anal-ease. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Hey, just need to pick up a couple packages real quick.
Okay, what's the box number?
2909. Thank you. Oh, awesome. Thank you very much. Have a good day. What's up, bud? Chill. Chill. Oh my goodness, are we gonna fit this in the backpack? Oh my god. Alright, off to meet Delinquent and Scottandkerryann. Chill. 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 Man. Oh guys, look, see that building right there in the corner? All painted white. That was the sex shop, if you've ever watched our live streams. That is the origin of where we got the word anal-ease from. But yeah, that fucking porn shop got shut down in accordance to fucking not having enough cash or dildo sales or something. On light, you dirty dickhead. It's either lack of dildo sales or, you know, I think the live stream would have helped increase the sales of anal-ease, but hey, not even that helped. So either that or people were calling them too much in accordance to all of our calls trying to get some orders of anal-ease shipped in from the good old San Bernardino. Jumper inflatable, $69.99. Split the sea. What's cool is if they stand on the edge of the mansion hillTIP and they look over, you can see them from down here as little ant dickheads. And it is going to rain tough today, it looks like. I can already see it. I always have a fear of one of these cars going over the line like last second and just giving me a good old double header in the goodie. Well, that'd probably be my front side duty. Damn it, got my light interrupted by a 1970s crack limo. Oh shit, green light. Oh shit, we're following the crack limo. He's probably like, take me to the mansion hillcock at once. He's like, Benson, make your second left up ahead and proceed up to the mansion hillcock. We got homeboy right here busting some Florida ropes on the Sunshine State plate. Ooh, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Busting some rhymes, some bars, talking about fucking license plates and shit. Bitch, your car ain't that low, just get the fuck going. Oh, it's like a convoy. They got a fucking Florida plate up there. Oh shit. Look, there's Delinquent. there. I don't know you, but from YouTube, right?
Happy! From the consulate, right? This is weird!
We got the crew right here assembled on the Mansion Hillcock. Ooh, I like that Gixxer color, yeah.
Good to see you, buddy.
What's up, buddy? What perfect timing. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm bakerXderek. Nice to meet you for the first time ever. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Pleasure to meet you.
You too, bud. Go get your big old horsecock spring roll. Have Delinquent film you eating up close again.
That's pretty. I showed my friends.
Well guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit up Scottandkerryann, the girl and her bike, and of course Suburban Delinquent in the links down below. Go, 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 go. You dirty motherfucker. And as always, don't forget to hit the links below. Follow me on all the social medias. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. And you guys have a real good day. See you guys later.
Cheers!
Yeah.